this Rasta man around the place here named Fire.
Oh, yes.
Can you imagine? I was going about my business and he saw me on the road and want me to sign a paper for him, you see?
Uh-huh.
And you know the boy I tried to threaten me.
You don't see what time it is. I'm not signing any paper now. As you can see, I'm in my 90. I'm not prepared to sign any paper this early.
The water is troubling, my friend. Step right in. God Almighty power is moving every hour. No longer stand. The water is trouble, my friend. Step right in. Hello, sister. You're born again.
Yeah.
Now you're free from all sin. I am not telling you that she's pregnant. I am just telling you what I heard.
See,
So it come from the horse's mouth. Pastor, me no like